Welcome to Automatrix, your go-to channel for the latest car reviews and insights. Today we're diving into the 2025 Nissan Altima, a midsize sedan that's been a favorite for its balance of style, performance, and value. Let's take a closer look at what the new model brings to the table. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Altima has received a few subtle but noticeable updates. The front grille is sleeker, with Nissan's signature V-motion design now more prominent, giving the car a more aggressive stance. The LED headlights are sharper and slimmer, providing better visibility and a modern look. The sculpted lines on the sides give it a sporty profile, and the available 19-inch alloy wheels complete the overall sleek design. It's a car that strikes the perfect balance between being practical and stylish, whether you're cruising around town or hitting the highway. First, moving to the interior, the 2025 Altima doesn't disappoint. Nissan has focused on premium materials and a spacious cabin. The seats are upholstered in either cloth or leather, depending on the trim, and they offer the brand's zero-gravity technology for long-lasting comfort on those extended drives. The dashboard features a larger 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. The layout is clean, with physical buttons for climate control and audio settings, so you won't have to rely solely on the touchscreen. Plus, there's plenty of legroom and headroom, especially in the rear seats, making it a great option for families or passengers who want more space. When it comes to performance, Nissan offers two engine options for the 2025 Altima. You can choose between a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 188 horsepower, or, if you're after more excitement, there's a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering up to 248 horsepower. Both engines are paired with a continuously variable transmission CVT, which ensures smooth acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, the base model delivers an impressive 32 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the more fuel-efficient options in its class. The Altima also offers all-wheel drive as an option, perfect for those who need extra traction in bad weather. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Nissan Altima starts at around $26,000 for the base S model, which comes with standard features like the advanced safety suite and the touchscreen infotainment system. If you're looking for more tech and comfort, the mid-level SV trim starts at about $30,000, while the top-of-the-line Platinum trim will run you closer to $36,000, adding premium leather seats, an upgraded sound system, and a few more luxury touches. The 2025 Altima proves once again why it's such a strong contender in the midsize sedan market. From its stylish design to its comfortable and tech-filled interior, plus impressive performance and fuel efficiency, it's a car that checks a lot of boxes. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a long road trip, the Altima is a solid choice that delivers on value. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Nissan Altima. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to Automatrix for more in-depth car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Altima, and which feature stood out to you the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.